don't have to know everything to get started, but you do have to get started, family. If you don't get started at all, you're just going to be continually going through that revolving door. And you have to get started, family. I know you have an idea, a dream to be your own boss or start your own career or start this certain type of business or make a certain type of product. Go on and get started. One thing I learned, fam, as you get started and you pursue what you have on your heart, doors will start opening. You'll start meeting people in the most weirdest situations that relates to what you're trying to do. But you have to do it from the heart. You have to believe in what you want, and you have to do it even if you don't know how you're going to complete it. But you know you're going to complete it. See, it's a difference. You know, it's a different type of faith to believe in things that you don't see, but to have the evidence of them by what you're doing. You're practicing it. You're knocking on doors. You're making sure that you connect with the right sources and people. That's how you do it, fam. You know, literally, you just have to pursue it. But you have to make your mind up, though. You have to say, you know what? This is what I'm standing on. You know what? This is what I'm standing on. Or that is what I'm standing on. But you have to go on and make that decision, and that's a personal thing. You have to just make up your mind and say, you know what? Regardless of what's going on, I'm going to go on and pursue my dream. I'm going to go on and get my hog on, fam.